Yes, people, welcome to Loaded Cannon, AlbertJTV fan cam. Arsenal 4, Leeds United 1. 5 points extended back to the top of the Premier League table. Let's get into it. Make a few changes. Saka's on the bench. I didn't have a problem with that. He needs to be. He needs to have games where he's not starting. We've got to rely on some of the other players to come in. But obviously Saliba's out, as we know. But Rob Holding coming done well today. But let's get straight into the game, really. First sort of 25-30 minutes was a bit. It was a bit testimonial, pedestrian-like. We didn't really create much, other than really. We've done a great bit of play in the first half, and the Gabriel Jesus header was a little bit off balance, so very difficult to get on target. But up until then, really, Arsenal didn't really create anything. Passages of play, but not really creating much chances or getting into the wide areas. But listen, they say in football, goals change games, and it's true. A little bit of magic from Gabriel Jesus. We win the penalty, we go 1-0 up. And to be honest, from that, I thought we looked a lot more sharper, a lot more penetrative, and we looked like we might get the second, to be fair. But yeah, the game changed with the goal, man. It is as simple as that. And we looked a lot more sharper, and the passing was a little bit more crisp, and we opened these up a bit more, especially when we was on the counter-attack, when we overturned possession. But listen, second half, can't start better than that. What, 2 minutes in, 2 goals in the first 10-15 minutes of the second half, game was over. Benny White gets a second goal, got more than Richarlison this season. And obviously, Trossard, to be fair to him, didn't have the best game, but creates an assist for the goal for Gabriel Jesus' second, sorry. Even I lost count of the goal scorers, but really happy for Jesus, actually. His goal scoring record wasn't fantastic before the injury, before the World Cup, but to come back today, lead the line, 2 goals, really bloody annoyed we didn't keep a clean sheet again at home. Only 3 at home this season, and we let Leeds back into that goal we conceded, man. Really annoying, and a bit of a nervy 2 or 3 minutes, but we get the fantastic goal with Granit Xhaka. Really good header, fantastic pass from Martin Odegaard, and listen, comprehensive win. Which is much needed, helps the goal difference as usual. We move on to Liverpool next week, massive away game at Anfield. But listen, drop your comments down below. Mo, my bro, thank you for the opportunity on the fan cam. We'll see you soon, people. Come on, you mighty Gunners. 9 cup finals to go.